Today we are gathered to celebrate the graduation of class 19-008. For the past 3 weeks, these NCOs have learned leadership, counseling, coaching, and mentoring, Army writing skills, critical thinking, and problem solving to prepare them as leaders for their respective recruiting and retention battalions. Our guest speaker today is Master Sergeant Christopher Setterstrom. Master Sergeant Christopher Setterstrom arrived at NCOA June 2017 as a small group leader, then was promoted to the grade of Master Sergeant shortly after that. He is now currently a team chief at SMTC. At this time, it is with great pleasure to introduce the Strength Maintenance Training Center Team Chief, Master Sergeant Christopher Setterstrom.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. First, I want to congratulate each of you on making it through this rigorous course. Like you said, started off at the academy, and I know those 3 weeks are very time-consuming, and it's 100% for three weeks straight. Some of you have promotions waiting for you at home now that you've accomplished the course, and some of you are going to keep those promotions that you've already earned. Of course, with those promotions comes more responsibility to the organization, and then, of course, to your soldiers waiting for you when you get back. You're responsible for those soldiers around you and those that are in your care. Be the leader your subordinates expect you to be, and take pride in that leadership. When you find yourself unsure, look back and really think about those leaders that you've had in the past that have mentored you and guided you to where you are today. Use those positive role model examples and implement them into your leadership as you move forward. Also look back and unfortunately remember some of those leaders that weren't always there for you or maybe had different interests in mind when they were operating. Remember how you felt and remember how those leaders impacted the organization and how it impacted you as you were growing up in the ranks. And of course, learn from their mistakes, because that's what we do as NCOs, right? We either make mistakes or we learn from others' mistakes, we correct it, and we move forward. Just because you graduated senior leader course does not qualify you to be a great leader. Senior leaders develop from learning from each other, as well as, like I said, making mistakes. Unfortunately, you're going to make mistakes, just to ensure you identify them and correct them. And of course, always keep your soldiers' best interests in mind. The last 3 weeks, you build relationships with each other, and together you conquer the course. It's a very demanding course designed to get you to interact with each other. It's all facilitated, get you guys talking with each other and building relationships and learning from each other. There are going to be times when you don't have the answer, or something comes up and you're not going to know what the answer is to fix the situation or find a regulation to solve that problem. And that's when you guys need to rely on each other, reach back, make that phone call, and get help from each other so that you can further fix your issues and move forward. Does that make sense? All right. Together, you can all be great leaders and raise even better leaders for our future CMS. And lastly, remember to take time to step away from work, ensure your family's taken care of. Without the support of those that you love and those that love you, you're not going to be a very effective leader. So make sure this is number one for us. Make sure family, you're putting just right above it to make sure you're an effective leader. Once again, congratulations, and together, hopefully you can conquer that next challenge. Thank you.
Thank you for those words of encouragement, Master Sergeant Setterstrom.